guys, we are back and we are playing MMP. Makan, where are you again?
I'm at the fountain.
No, you're not. I'm already here. Where even you go?
You're blind?
Oh.
I'm literally
Oh
right
my
behind
gosh!
you.
I did not see you.
Notice
Oh
anything
my
new about
gosh.
my avatar, guys? Notice anything new?
Yeah, do you guys notice
Notice?
anything? I don't. Oh, okay.
He didn't notice anything. He's blind, huh? We're not teaming, but we
Yeah,
can lie to each other.
yeah. No, we can't lie to each other.
Yes, we can.
Just not tell our roles or anything specific. Oh,
What if
I
you lie
already
about
died.
your
I
role,
already
huh?
died. I already
What
died.
if you lie about your role?
I already died. Oh, oh.
Hmm.
I'm sorry,
Oh,
guys. Cut
oh,
that. Cut that
oh,
out.
oh,
Cut that
oh,
out.
oh.
I
Yeah,
already
I'll mute
died.
your mic. I'm coming. Uh-huh. Alright, easy, easy.
Make
I
the
know, I
burp
think
as
I know
me.
who it is. I think I know who it is.
The sheriff is. I won't tell. Never mind. Like, not
I know who the sheriff is.
okay. You know who the killer is?
I think so. Yep, I know. It's
Sheriff! What kind of aim is that?
Sheriff, give me your gun.
Oh my gosh, you almost got sniped.
Sheriff. Really lagging because of it.
Why am I eating the stairs?
Come on, Sheriff. Sheriff. Aren't you supposed to protect the city? Oh no, I accidentally clicked sticky keys. I don't. Other side, other side, other side.
Sheriff! Sheriff!
Sheriff,
What the heck?
Sheriff, Sheriff. Maybe wait, yeah, wait. They both have
Okay,
girlish
I told
avatar.
something to our viewers. And not you. Ha ha ha.
Me? Wow,
Yes. I
wow,
didn't.
wow. I'm following you now.
No, 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 no,
Stop
no,
trying
no.
to get in.
Why is
Okay,
everyone?
everyone's trying to get in.
No, don't follow me. Don't follow me.
Alright. You are murderer. I can sense it. Guys, show me. Show me screen. Guys, comment me
Guys,
his role.
don't comment my role, please.
Comment his role. Comment his role. You can already see my screen. So you know what role I am.
Oops. No, I'm recording. They only know my
I'm
role.
recording.
They
This
only
is
know my
our
role.
channel, not your. Someone's
Uh,
dead. Someone's dead.
oh,
Small guy dead. Small guy dead. Alert, small guy dead. I have a feeling I know who it is.
guys,
It might be grayscale person.
some of our videos are always gonna be recorded by me or always gonna be recorded by me. Yes, I don't know about my oh, I died. Okay.
You're dead. Oh no. Oh,
Should
yep, it's her. I knew it. I told you it's gray skin
why
person.
was it silent? Oh, it's silent again. Camper.
Told
Oh,
you it was gray skin person.
pale person, pale. My God, they're not jumping.
I don't know how to aim.
Oh gosh, you're dead. Yes, you
You
did.
cut that out of the video. No,
No,
no, I'm the editor. I'm the editor. I'm gonna cut that out.
no. My God, oh yeah, did I tell you guys that
I
he's the
don't
one
think
that
so.
edits the video and
Yeah, but
also
the last two
posts?
videos didn't even have any edits, so I was too lazy. Sorry.
Yeah. I could also like edit, but like,
This video will be edited by me if I'm not too lazy.
I mean, I could edit it now. I mean, but like, uh, if the videos, yeah, I send it to Mike and then he's the one that posts.
Yeah, and I'm edit bro. I know how to
I'm
edit.
the one that
He doesn't know how
records.
to edit.
Yeah, I don't know how to like cut a part of a video, but like, don't cut
Yeah.
that part of the video. Let our viewers see that embarrassing
You
mistake that
guys can see my screen, right?
um
Yeah, I'm recording. I'm recording. I can
guys,
change it to
our
whenever.
budget is too low and
What?
can't see my screen, only my screen.
No, 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 no,
Run
no.
from my can.
I'm editing, so I'm gonna put my video.
Nice. Okay.
Ah, who's the murderer?
It's not that. I was on first person. That's why I didn't see you.
I was on the third floor.
I was on first person looking downstairs. I didn't see you. I died standing. Watch me, Mike, and look. I
I
died
can see you.
standing.
I can see you. Our budget's high. Our budget's high. We have high budget.
I don't know if this is gonna be the first time we could see Mike on screen, but like,
If it
yeah.
isn't, it would just be a waste of my recording.
I mean, yeah. Okay, like, wait, be right back, guys.
Oh no. While he's gone, like and subscribe because we are a new channel. We are a very new channel.
Hi, guys.
That
This
means
is
hello.
our last part of the video. Yeah. Oh well, I gotta go to sleep since I'm too lazy,
Wow.
and Mike can edit the video. Well, I'm not technically gonna go to sleep. I'm just gonna
He's just
goodbye.
gonna take a
Bye,
rest
bye, bye.
because the video. Oh my goodness. My mic might sound different because I used the mic on my mobile earlier and now I'm using it on my PC. So yeah, obviously it's gonna sound different. But I don't know which one sounds better. Carl says my PC mic sounds better, but I don't really trust him because stop, get up, stop. I don't really trust him because my mic on my PC sounds like I'm underwater for me, but like you know, things can change maybe. I think that he might be telling the truth. If my mic sounds underwater, I'm gonna become murderer in real life. Okay. If I say no, I'm kidding. Just don't mind it. It's an instinct at this point, honestly. So yeah, just like I said, I'm gonna end the video once I become sheriff, and yeah, I'm gonna continue this video. I'm dead. Well, um, let's just cut the next round. If I'm not sheriff, if I'm not sheriff and I'm like murderer again, like I'm gonna at least try to win. Cut the video until next round, please. Hello, editor Maigan. Are you gonna cut the video or what? Thank you, editor Maigan. Well, I'm innocent, so this won't be that much entertaining. If I get the gun, I'll try to like actually kill the murderer with it. But like it's not it's not a high chance. And then also, if you guys still haven't noticed, the new thing I was talking about at the beginning are the eyes. They're pretty cool. I bought them for 25 Robux or 29 Robux, which my friend gave me. His account like recently got hacked. I mean, he forgot his password, so like I don't know. So his account got hacked like what's that? Sticky keys, sorry. His account got hacked like 10 days ago and I got gifted the Robux like 14 days ago. So yeah, I have the Robux now and his account's still gone. I think he's the murderer. I don't even know who that guy is. So stay away from me. Yep, 100% murder. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Get away. Get away from me, sir. What are they doing? They're just sitting there doing nothing. Bye bye. And now and over it. Over it. Over it. Over it. Over it. Hmm. Hmm. I'm so bad at this game. Sorry. Well, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm actually really sorry. I haven't played this game in a while and I'm pretty rusty. I mean, just look at my gun. It's green and my knife is a Finding Nemo. This is saying hello. Let me sit. Let me sit. Let me sit down. Sit down. How do you? You can say hi, right? How do you say hi? You say hi. Wanna be able to say hi. I don't know. Okay. Again, editor my gun. Please cut to the next round. Okay, next round. Um, I think we should just cut until I'm sheriff. This is just gonna take too long. Unless if I win. I'm gonna cut until I win or become the sheriff. Okay, that was easy. And I'm still alive, over. I'm sitting down on his corpse. Okay. So, as I said, I'm gonna cut until I become the sheriff or I win. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm so there. I said it again. I told you. It was just an instinct. It's just an instinct at this point. It's like an embarrassment feature. Whenever I'm embarrassed, I always say that. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut until I become sheriff. I'm not even gonna cut if I win. Okay, just next round I get sheriff. As I said, I'm gonna end the video when this round ends. So enjoy it while it lasts. It's probably not gonna last long. I'm gonna die in like 5 seconds. Not even 5 seconds. Wow. I'm sorry for that play, guys. I'm just I'm so bad at this game. Well, I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out.